We are at IMTEX 2024 forming, and it is my privilege to have a discussion with, I must say, the legend for the machine tool industry, for IMTEX, for IMTMA, Mr. Godrej, who was instrumental in actually popularizing IMTEX. It used to be there in Mumbai for a very long time under his leadership, and now also he leads IMTEX at this age. And sir, it is a privilege for us to meet you here. Almost 50 years and over, IMTEX is coming to this stage. And you were young and you tried to nurture this exhibition, tried to bring India to the global map. And after all these years, how you feel?
Well, you know, the generation before me, my father, Mr. Vinod Doshi, and a lot of other people who were the pioneers of machine building in India, I think it was their dream actually to have a show like this. And so I've continued the legacy of my father and those who came before me. IMTEX is important because, you know, when India is industrializing, you have to be able to demonstrate what the industry is capable of doing in India. You know, I mean, we started out at a time when everything was imported. And today, you know, we are at a very mature level. But the nature of this industry is that it's a global industry. You know, it depends on import and export. It depends on innovation. It depends on, you know, all the new developments that take place in the world. And I think India is sort of making a lot of progress on technology, on innovation, on software, on development of design, etc. And the machine tool industry is basically benefiting from that. And because, you know, successive governments in India have always promoted the idea that we make more in India. You know, you can give it any name you want. Currently it's Atmanirbhar Bharat and all that. But the point is that I think there is a good recognition that Indian machine tools are the way to go for India. We of course cannot make everything, but yes, we will try to make as much as we can and progress that way.
See, you told one important point, because it was from the people like your father or grandfather. They also want India to grow, but those were the challenging times. There was technologies were very less. There was government red tapes. But today the things have changed. India is now with China One policy. There are a lot of investments we are able to see here. Technology or money. Money at one point of time for people were a big hurdle. Today money is also not a hurdle. Today maybe skill is one of the biggest trouble what we are facing. So the changing or the generations, otherwise the changing times, how you see that India will go forward maybe in the next 10-15 years?
Well, I think you have put it out quite clearly that we will develop equipment and machinery, but skill development is important. We cannot ignore the fact that young men and women will be able to develop in this line. Engineering as a choice of career has been actually for India has been very good, you know, not only with IITs, regional engineering colleges. Many of them have gone into software, but many of them have come into manufacturing. And I think it's a good combination. I think India, will grow in every area. Now you see what we have achieved on the space sector. Okay, same will happen in the defense sector. The same will happen in consumer products like smartphones. So you will see more and more of items which we are not traditionally doing well coming in. And that's where the opportunity lies and the challenge lies.
I am telling you, this is a great moment and opportunity for machine maker to have an interaction with Mr. Jamsheyd Godrej, and we are very thankful for him. He not just me, there were many media people talking to him. He have given that time to talk to us. Thank you very much, sir, and we wish you and the entire machine tool fraternity all the very best.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for your support.